Hi guys, welcome to VCrafts. Today I will be showing you how to make this beautiful party wear jhumka earrings with these extensions, beautiful pearl extensions. So let's get started. I have already cut these beaded chain in 3 different sizes. The smallest one contains 15 beads, this one has 18, and this one has got 21 beads. I have already attached these two with the ear hooks. These are ear hooks without the ball and the spring, so we will be repeating it for this one too. We'll take a jump ring for this. Open this up, insert the chain and the ear hook, secure it nicely. Now we are done with this part. All the 3 chains are ready now. The next is we will be taking the stud, and now we will be taking a jump ring. In this I will be inserting the stud first, and then I will be inserting this jhumka base. So my stud and my jhumka base is falling on the left, and in the right I will be inserting these chains. I will be inserting the smallest one first. Here. And the second one with 18 beads. And then the 21 bead chain. Close the jump ring. And we're done. So one thing I would like to tell you here is this one is for your left ear, so that when you wear it like this, the chains will go in your hair from the left side, okay? And the other one was for your right ear, okay? So you just be very careful when you make these, where you want your chains to fall. So this was our today's video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please do like and share my video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Ta-da!